Hi, Miss Rhea. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello sir, I am Maria Baligio Catareso. I am 35 years old. I am living in Borok, Levensi, Barangay Batima, General Santos City. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes sir, I have. They are 15 years old and 11 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My family sir,
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 brothers and 7 sisters, and I am the 8th of the children.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am high school graduate sir.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes sir, I have. I was working before in Saudi Arabia from July 2018 to January 2021. I was working in a couple employer. They have 4 children, 3 teens and 8-year-old girl. And then I am also with second employer. They are also from Saudi Arabia. From October 2021 to August 2024, I was with 6 members of the family. One is elder, she is 90 years old, and then the widow, she is 58 years old, and then she have 4 adult children.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes sir, I finished.
How would you describe yourself?
I am very hardworking sir. I am also passionate and also a lawyer to my employer.
Why do you want to go abroad?
Because I want to achieve my goals, and then I want to help my father for financially problem, and then I want to also to support my children.
Do you have any tattoo?
No sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No sir.
Are you willing to take care newborn baby?
Yes sir, I will.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes sir. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
Yes sir.
Give me your idea how can you take care of the children and children with tantrums.
I will calm, I will stay calm, I will stop, and then I will make some stories. I will read some storybooks, and then I will play with them, and then I will be nice to them and also friendly to them.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, I am willing to work with you, and then I will treat you as my own family. If you want me and then still work with you, I will extend my work if you need me, and then I will try to learn Cantonese, and also I will cook more Chinese food. And thank you.